Everybody, Desertwolfarmory here, and we're gonna do a little short shooting video. First off, we're gonna test out that Savage Mark II with the threaded barrel. We're gonna put the suppressor on it and see how it shoots and see how quiet it is out of a longer barreled firearm versus you guys seen the FN502 with the suppressor, which was extremely quiet. I can't even imagine how quiet the Savage Mark II will be. And then also we're going to be shooting the FN502 with some higher velocity ammo. We're just going to do non-suppressed just to see how it runs, basically, without being suppressed. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and we'll catch you guys at the range. Peace. We are at Blackbeard Army and Range, and we already know what the business is. We got the good man here, Tap. He's definitely easy to work with, definitely nice. And like I said, man, if you guys are in Sherman, Texas, you guys better hit up Blackbeard Army and Range. They got very good prices on ammo compared to what's going on these days. I've been to other shops. There's only a couple of shops in this little city, and they're overpricing on ammo, which is ridiculous, but it is what it is. That's their thing. But over here, look, like I said, they got a huge gun selection. If you guys are here, come swing by, and then let them know Desert Wolf sent you. You know what I mean? So let's get it, y'all. We're gonna get into this shooting, and hopefully you guys see. We got 22s, standard velocity, high velocity, Super X, Aguila. Got all this stuff here. 17 HMR, 223s. Look, check this out. These are 5.56 green tips. But check this out though. 9mm Sierra, 23 rounds in box. Hollow, these are jacketed hollow points. These are also right there. But check this. We got some 5.56 Frontier, 16 bucks. 223 Remington, 16. PMC X-Tac, look. 14 bucks a box. A 9mm Federals, 20 bucks a box. Seems pretty average. Look at Winchester white box, 20 bucks. Pretty good. They got a bunch of different ammo here. Check this out. Any guys who like that 7.62x51, bunch of good stuff. Now we got, these are just bullet tips. Barnall. Oh, for my AK dudes, $11.89. I know that's a little bit more than usual, but it's cheapest for what I've seen it. This also depends on where you are at. Look at this. 7.62x54R, 174 grain. Look at that. There's that brown bear, silver bear and brown bear. That tool ammo. See some more 7.62x54R. There we got some. Look at this, 7.62x39. Look at all this 5.45 right here. We are stacked. That's what I'm talking about. All right, guys. So check this out. We got the Savage Mark II. As you guys can see, look at that wood grain. We got the primary arms. 22 scope on here, just got it zeroed at 20 yards. And look at this. And we are running that Warlock suppressor too. We're gonna see how quiet this is. And this is what we're using. Laser 22, long rifle, 1200 feet per second, to some regular high velocity stuff. So we're just gonna see how quiet this is real quick. Got no ears on, so we're just gonna shoot at that target out there. All right, here we go. Wow, that's quiet. Can't even hear nothing. I mean, you could hear it, but it's like, doesn't bother my ears at all. Look at that. Quiet as hell. Look at that. What do y'all hear? Any more rounds? See, we're empty. And as you guys can see, we are good to go. Whew, that's quiet as hell. So, what do you guys think of that? Let's bring it home, kind of show you guys what happened here. Oh, whoopsie. So this is when I first started. It was a little low. And then I went over to, sorry, let me move this out the way, y'all, so I can see. So then I went to over here, number 1, which I got right there, and there. Then I went to 4, then I went to 6, then I went to 2, and then now my last one's right here, right on the money. We are on the money, guys. You guys know we don't play no games. It's a dope ass ring. Look at this. Freaking dope. Now we're gonna get to shooting our FN 509 FN 502. I say FN 509. But anyway, let's get it. All right, you guys, we're gonna be shooting the FN 502.
Yeah, no, not yet.
So we're gonna be shooting this FN 502 non-suppressed. We're gonna just see the reliability of it, see if I get any malfunctions with the CCI Blazer. Let's get it. Let's see what we got. See if you all can see. Bam, perfect. All right, let's go. We're gonna drop these in right now. Can you all see? There you go. Let's get it. I'll wait for him to. You got ears on? He's good? All right, I'll wait. Sorry about that, guys. One of the range masters didn't have ears on, so there's nobody in the range with me now. Let's see. On safety. 1 second. Let me put this angle up just a little bit. You guys can see. There you go. So far, pretty reliable. So we're gonna go ahead and do another magazine. There you go. We're just going from the little targets, transitioning over to each one after every shot. Bam. Cycled every single round, guys. We're gonna do another box right now. First, we're gonna show you the target real quick. See what you guys think. See what y'all think about what I did. Let me zoom in for y'all. Look at that. See, so I was basically transitioning, whoops, from each target after every shot. So 2, 5, 3, 6, 4, 1, and just going in random after that. It's dope, huh? Practice. But I'm gonna start loading the magazine up. And all right, guys, so we just loaded 2 mags full. Let me get that so you guys can focus on the camera right there. CCI Blazers, like you guys see in the box, I got 15 round and a 10 round magazine. As you guys can see, let's see how it runs. Like I said, we're just testing for reliability, and let's make it happen once again, y'all. We're gonna do that transitioning thing like I did before, and let's get it. We're gonna start off with the 15 and then go to the 10 rounder. All right, let's see. magazine. Whoa, so it's hot little shell casing. Full magazine, no issues whatsoever. Next one, it's got to run it. Bam, empty again. So far, I'm pretty impressed with the reliability of this pistol. It's freaking dope. Look at that. All right, so what we're gonna do is I'm gonna put the suppressor on it. It's barrel hot. I'm gonna run it on some higher velocity rounds and see if it sounds louder, or see if it, hopefully it shouldn't hurt the ears at all. But let's go. All right, we're gonna go ahead and load it up. I mean, put the suppressor on. Make sure you don't wanna, there you go. Look at that. Ooh, boy. Let's get it snug tight, just like that. All right, here we go. So we're gonna try it with the suppressor on. Let's see what we got, guys. Let's see what we got here, y'all. Adjust the camera just a little bit. Y'all see that? All right, cool. Now, so you guys can see, let me back it up just a little bit more. All right, cool. So we're gonna go with the 15 rounder suppressed CCI blazers. See, here we go. There we go. Can't hear nothing. Wow. Damn. You see how quiet that was? Woo! Let's try another magazine. There you go. Gotta do it twice. Damn. That's crazy. Ooh, it's smoking. See that? Woo! Damn, this is badass. Woo! Alright, y'all. Another magazine full. Focus. There you go. Another magazine. 502. Suppressed. See right there? If I didn't tell you, it's the Warlock 2 from Silencer Co. Damn. That shit is quiet. Woo.